emotional release. It is possible to let go of negative emotion that doesn't serve you. So in this virtual emotional releasing session, I, Dr. Matatara Lee, relationship counselor and clinical sexologist, I'll be sharing with you more about my favorite emotional releasing technique called Lindwall Releasing, and I'll be demonstrating it. Then I'll put you in breakout rooms where you'll get a chance to practice this technique, and also be able to notice how you feel in your body using this technique. It's so simple but so effective. My life changed when I learned this technique. I have been on a journey of personal development for the last 20 over years, and I have acquired many tools on how to regulate my emotions, being a highly sensitive person, being an empath, and Lindwall Releasing is my favorite technique. It's so simple, so effective, and it changed my life. I would not be the person that I am today. I would not be able to have the voice that I have, to be able to speak up, if not for being able to let go of overwhelm. So people who are in pain, who are in distress, who are in duress, are not able to let in pleasure, happiness, joy, and of course orgasms. So it's so important to learn how to regulate our emotions, and yet there's not enough training about it. So please sign up for this session. It's going to be super fun and interactive. Come with an open mind, be curious, and you can participate to the level that you feel comfortable in. You do not have to go to breakout room if you don't want. You can private message me your questions. You can just sit in and watch if that's what you prefer. But I strongly advise and suggest that you participate as much as you can. So do take care of yourself, but I really encourage you to sign up and show up anyway. There's so much going on in the world right now with COVID aftermath, and of course COVID is still going on. Then there's war, and there's recession, there's inflation, there's all kinds of rage that's happening, and people are getting really triggered and flooded. I feel so strongly about it, and that's the reason why I'm offering this session. I have conducted this in person. I have done this virtually in a tantric festival, but this is the first time I'm actually offering virtually for the public. So please sign up, and I'll see you on the day itself.